Today I'm going to showcase some fabulous items out of the EML Magic Box. Take a look. Now the first item is from TJ Maxx, and that is a set of 2 luggage tags. You get the Barbie Silhouette and you also get the Barbie name. Check out the back so you can use a permanent marker to write your information down. And these are luggage tags, and everything is available from the stores I'm going to mention as of May 21st, 2024. Next, I'm going to showcase a watch, and it's a Barbie watch, and this is from Marshall's. Take a look. You got the Barbie Silhouette on the front, and I do have that watch on, and there are many different sizes that you can adjust it to. And I just love the sparkle. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and showcase Barbie shoes. Take a look. These zipper on the side. And I just love that little silhouette they put in the middle of the shoelaces. Super cool. All right, so check out this Barbie hats. This one is available from Marshall's. It's adjustable. This is a low profile, so it does sit low on your head. Next, I want to showcase some items from Burlington. These are Barbie slippers, and yes, they are memory foam, and they are for indoor and outdoor use. Now, one thing about these is I do have these in my storefront on Amazon, so if you can't find them at Burlington, check out the link below to go to my storefront, and I put it under Barbie slippers. Also, check out these press-on nails. Look at all those different designs. And this is from Burlington. Next, I'm going to showcase a watch, and this is from Ross, and this is a light-up watch. Check that out. How cool is that? I love this tin box. So cute. And I'm going to showcase a couple things from Five Below. This is a Barbie book. This is Step 1, ready to read. And check this out, a do-it-yourself nail set. You get like 80 plus pieces in this nail set. And last, this is from Hot Topic, and these are key cap sets, and they're Barbie key caps. So go over to TJ Maxx, go over to Ross, Marshall's, don't forget Hot Topic, and of course, Five Below, and see what treasures you can find. Stay tuned, everybody. Many more secrets, many more showcasing, much more finds to bring you from the fabulous Iconic Doll EML Collection Museum. Bye. Follow me.